This is a mini fridge. 4-liter capacity, store up to 6 cans. Here is a magnetic lock of this fridge. Cold and warm, both option available. Leather carry handle. Different colors, choice is yours. Going to the picnic? Don't forget to take out with you. This is a portable refrigerator fridge with tires. Very easy to take out and plug it in your car. Install the application in your mobile and change the temperature or adjust the temperature. 3 different sizes available, buy it according to your need. Make your trip more awesome and enjoyable with this refrigerator. This is a Midea compact fridge. Compact stainless steel refrigerator. Compressor cooled for ultimate cooling performance with CFC free cooling type. Adjust the temperature to your needs. 4.3.2 CUFT interior space. Freezing chamber minimum temperature is 5 Fahrenheit. Refrigerating chamber 32 Fahrenheit to 50 Fahrenheit. It doesn't take that much space, put it anywhere in your home.